Hey, how you doing? Mike, Innovative Door. We're going to show you Canyon Ridge slate urethane insulated window with 48-inch breakaway high lift track. And this slate door from Clopay is absolutely stunning. The detail, the color, the inserts, all of it. And it is urethane, so it's got an 18 point something R value. I think it's 18.4. We put all the heavy hardware on it and track and stuff. And then this has got the great new breakaway track, so it breaks away here, goes up on an angle, and then breaks away again. And obviously we've complemented this with the new 8500W with the battery backup, the lock, keypad, wired remote there, and then over here we got the wireless one by the house. So that's nice. The breakaway track looks beautiful. It works well. It's balanced beautiful for all your garage door needs. Clopay Canyon Ridge Doors. 630-271-9343. www.Innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Thank you for watching our Canyon Ridge slate urethane garage door video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.